Welcome back to the last video of Real Numbers Chapter 1. This is the continuation of the last exercise, that is 1.5. Fourth question, expand the following. So, what's the first question? It's log 1000. So, 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. This 3 can come in the front, making it 3 log 10. So, what's the value of log 10? As I have already said, it's 1. 3 into 1 is answer 3. Second one, log 128 by 625. Now 128 can be written as 2 power 7, 625 can be written as 5 power 4. As it is in the division, we can make it in the form of subtraction. Multiplication goes to addition, division goes to subtraction. Log 2 power 7 minus log 5 power 4. Let's bring the 7 in the front and 4 in the front. 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. That's the answer. Third one, log x square, y cube and z. Now similarly, we like this, it is in the form of multiplication. Log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4. I missed the 4 in the equation. Okay, so again let's bring this 2 here, 3 here and 4 here. 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z. Third question, log p square into q cube by r power 4. Now this 2 is in the form of multiplication, which can turn into addition, as the r is in the form of division, which goes to subtraction. Like that, log p square plus log q cube minus as division log r power 4. Let's bring this square in the front as 2, cube in the front as 3 and 4 in the front as 4. Log root of x cube by y square. Now this root can be written as 1 by 2, right? Log x cube by y square to the power of 1 by 2. Now log x to the power of, let's multiply the powers. That is one of the rules in the logarithm. We can multiply the power. 3 into 1 is 3 by 2. 2 into 2 is 2 by 2. 2 cancel, leaving only y, which is log 3 by 2 as it is in the division, minus log y as 2 cancels. Let's bring this 3 by 2 here. 3 by 2 log x minus log y. Fifth question, if x square plus y square is equals to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Given that x square plus y square is equals to 25, right? So we know that the formula of x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. 25xy instead of x square plus y square. Let's substitute the value of 25xy here in place of x square plus y square. 25xy plus 2xy as it is 2xy, which makes it 27xy. So x plus y whole square is equals to 27xy. Now taking log on both sides, log x plus y whole square is equals to log 27xy. Now let's bring this 2 in the front. 2 log x plus y equals to log 27. Open this xy in the form of addition, log x plus log y. 27 can be written as 3 cube. Log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Let's bring this 3 here. 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Now the sixth one, if log of x plus y by 3 equals to half log x plus half log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So what's given here? Log of x plus y by 3 equals to half log x plus log y. Now as it is in the form of division, we can take it in the form of multiply as half log xy. Now let's send this half in the power side. Just as we can bring from the power to the front, we can send from front to the power. Log x plus y by 3 equals to log of xy by half. This half can convert into root. Log cancel, remaining is x plus y by 3, x plus y by 3, which is equals to, this half converts into root of xy. Now let's send this 3 here. If it is in the division form, we'll send it to the multiplication side. Squaring on both sides, x plus y whole square is equals to 3 root xy whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? 3 3 is 9, 3 square is 9, square and root cancel, xy remaining. If we elaborate this, 3 square is equals to root of xy whole square separates, 3 square is 9, root square cancel, it's 9x. X square plus y square is equals to 7xy. How? Let's send this 2xy here. 9xy minus 2xy is 7xy. Send this xy in the denominator. Now it is in the multiplication. If it goes to the left hand side, it turns into the denominator form. Separate it, x square by xy plus y square by xy equals to 7, same and remaining. X square, 1x cancel from x square, x cancel, remaining x and y. 1y cancel from y square, y cancel, remaining y and x equals to 7. Seventh question, if 2.3 power x equals to 0.23 power y equals to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Given 2.3 power x equals to 0.23 power y equals to 1000. Let's take this first one. 2.3 power x equals to 1000. Now 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. Let's send this x here. It goes in the denominator. 2.3 is equals to 10 power of 3 by x. Similarly, we'll take this one now. 0.23 power y equals to 10 cube. Let's send this y again. It goes into the denominator. 0.23 is equals to 10 power 3 by y. Now, if we want to remove one point, this point, we can add 2 zeros in the denominator, right? Because there are two numbers here. Similarly, if we want to bring one point forward, one number forward, we need to add 1 0. Let me explain you. If it is 0.23 and we are going to remove this point, so it could be 23 by 100, but we are placing this point here as 2.3, so only one number goes forward because we are adding 1 0. So we are doing that here as taking 0.23 as 2.3 by 10. Now what's the value of 0.23? It's 10 power 3 by y. What's the value of 2.3? It's 10 power 3 by x. That is what we wrote. Whole by 10 as it is whole by 10. Now, if this 10 goes up, it turns into minus, right? So it's 10 power 3 by y equals to 10 power 3 by x minus 1. Now 10 cancel on both sides. Remaining is 3 by y equals to 3 by x minus 1. I'll just explain it from this step. We will send this 3 by y here and bring this 1 here, okay? So 1 turns to positive, 1 equals to 3 by x minus 3 by y. That is what we got here. We just shuffled it. We bring, instead of writing like this, we wrote it 3 by x minus 3 by y equals to 1. Now let's take 3 common from numerator. 3 common as 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1. Let's 3, here it is in the multiplication. It goes in the division as 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1 by 3. So that is what we have proved. Eighth question is, if 2 power of x minus 1 equals to 3 power of 1 minus x, then find the value of x. Given 2 power of x minus 1 equals to 3 power of 1 minus x, taking log on both sides. Now this comes here in the front. That was the rule of log is x plus 1 log 2, x plus 1 log 3. Now let's bring this log inside. X log 2, log 2 into 1 is log 2, log 3 into 1 is log 3, x into log 3 is minus x log 3. Now again we are bringing this log x log 3 this side, bringing x terms at one place, and numeric log terms at one place, right? It is in the minus, it becomes plus, is equals to log 3, this 2 here as log 2 minus. Now x common from this step, log 3 plus log 2 equals to log 3 minus log 2. Now keeping x as it is, we will send this log 3 plus log 2 here in the denominator as it is in the form of multiplication. Log 3 minus log 2 by log 3 plus log 2. This is in the form of subtraction. So what can it turn as? It can goes in the form of division. Log of 3 by 2. Now log 3 plus log 2 is log 6. That is what the answer. Now the last question of this exercise is log 2 is rational or irrational. He is asking us to find. Justify your answer. So how are we going to do the solution? Log 2 of 10 equals to x. Now it is in the form of, I'll write it, log x of a equals to m. Here log x is log 2. Instead of a we have 10 and instead of x we have m. So what's the formula of this one? It is as a power of m equals to x. So what's in place of a? We have 10. So 10 power of, what's in place of m? We have x. 10 power of x. What's we have in place of x here? In place of x we have 2. So 10 power x equals to 2. Is it true? No. No matter what value we take here, either 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. 10 power of 0 is 1. 10 power of 1 is 10. 10 power of 2 is 100. It is never 2. But 2 can't be written as 10 power of x. Exactly. These two are not equal. So it is irrational. Log 2 is irrational. We have similar question. Log 100 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Let log 100 to the base 10 equals to x. Now 100 can be written as 10 square. Let's bring this 2 here. 2 log 10 to the base 10 equals to x. Now we have same base and the side. We know what's the value of this as log a with the base a equals to 1. Similarly, we have log 10 to the base 10 equals to 1. 2 into 1 is 2. The value of x is 2. That is log 100 is rational, which is equals to 2. Thank you. This is the end of our chapter 1 real numbers. I hope you understand. We'll go on further with the chapter 2 in the further videos. Have a good day. Thank you.